Hello guys, my name is Josh and welcome back to Ecom. Today guys, I'm going to be showcasing you 7 products that I think will do really well dropshipping or Amazon FBA and or selling on eBay in 2022. Here we go guys, let's get straight into product number 1. Product number 1 is a summer running shorts guys with a pocket in. The most annoying thing about most running shorts or exercise gear is literally they never have good enough pockets for your mobile phone. And also your mobile phone's usually connected to your Bluetooth earphones. Bit of a dilemma. It's a problem solver. Boom. That's a great product. $4 or $5. You can sell that for like $19.99. Nice bit of profit there. The second product guys is the automatic stirrer for your hobs. It's automatic. It costs £2 to £3. You can sell that for $19.99. Nice and easy guys. It's an automatic pot stirrer. That's incredible. Especially with people with arthritis in their wrists. Right. LED nightlight guys, absolutely cool. I love it, it's just incredible. Just look at this, look at this little video. I've just seen this just now. It's just an LED light switch, but I just make sure you look a bit better. LED lights stands out, and I've got LED lights around my room, and I think this would be good to target towards parents maybe, for the younger children. Dim out all that. That was really cool that on the wall. See that? Yeah, I really like that. Brand around that product quite easily, quite comfortably. So guys, we're going to go into the 5th product. The 5th product is a portable adjustable pet outing travel backpack. So for you if you don't want to take your pets wherever you go, whatever you do, wherever you go, anytime you go, here is an option for you to take them with you comfortably. £4.56 and you could easily sell that for, like I say, $24.99, $29.99. And yeah, target people that's interested in pets. Quite simple. So guys, the second to last product we're going to get into today in 2022, I think will do really well. It's a simple product. It's all about the kind of exercise, you know, getting in that good physique, kind of looking, oh, I look slim and sexy on Instagram, do you know what I mean, that kind of product. And people like to spend a lot of money on that. So it's just a hula hoop band that goes around your body, and it's adjustable, and you just kind of, it's basically just a hula hoop that you can adjust the size of, and you can just kind of adjust the difficulty, and it's just stuck around your body, and you can use it as part of training at home for weight loss, alongside any other cardio that you do. And the final product guys today is my favourite, and I absolutely love it. It is a heated rechargeable vest. How amazing is that? It's currently partway through winter where I am in England, and all of you snowy countries and cold countries will be delighted to see something like this. But you could really build a brand around this product. I could see like up here you could get like your brand name, do you know what I mean? And it's just a reheatable, you know, vest. How cool is that? I think that's incredible. I've never ever thought of something like that, which is incredible. But yeah guys, it's only £9 as well, so you could sell that for a good $49.99. It's a real good profit margin there. It's got 4.4 out of 29 reviews. Let's have a look at the reviews a second as well. So there's no photo reviews on the first page, no photo reviews on the second, but there are a lot of reviews there, none of doubt. Here it is, look, there's a photo review, and it's 1 star. It's absolutely useless, just Christ, don't go with that one. Additional feedback. He gave, so I applied for a refund and no problem, he gave me back the money, a 10 for a seller in that regard. But all of these 5 stars suggest otherwise. Maybe he just had a bad one. I'm not too sure. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. My name has been Josh. This is Ecom, and I'll see you in the next one.